Hi, boys and girls, Miss B here. And today I'm so excited to work on writing with you because we are going to learn about labels. Can you guys say that with me? Labels. Labels. Let's clap it. Label. Label. Okay. Now, for labeling, we need to have some special mind bubbles. Okay, these bubbles are going to bring your brain some strength. So here they come. These are just special for labeling your writing. Let's see, can I get some more? Coming right at you. These are mind bubbles, helping your brain get nice and strong for labels. Are you ready? I can't wait. Come on over with me and let's watch Miss B label an old writing picture. Okay, so I just have my old journal and I'm going to practice with my old journal. You are going to work on a brand new piece, but just for showing you what a label is, I'm going to use this old picture, okay? So you do not have to do this. You're just watching me with your listening eyes and your listening ears. Okay, so when we label, we use a pencil. And we are going to investigate all of our items. That means that we're going to look with our eyes to see what we can see. Okay, well, the first thing I notice is the clouds because there's two white spots in this picture, the clouds. Let me see if I can't get a little closer for you guys. Perfect. There we go. So clouds, when I say the word cloud, I hear k. So I'm going to put a C in the clouds. I'm putting a label there to show my teacher that I know this word, this item starts with the letter C. Now, bird starts with a B. B. Bird. So I have clouds, birds, and, oh, a wave. Wave. So boys and girls, today, when you're all done creating your beautiful writing with a character and a setting, you're going to work on labels. I want everybody to show 3 labels in their work today. How many labels? 3, you got it. All right, my friends, let's get started on our writing. Hi, boys and girls, Miss B here, and today we're gonna write about a loud noise. The first thing I'm gonna do is ask you, did you go into your Google Classroom and watch this video? If you did, good job. If you didn't listen to the story yet, stop. You need to go back into your Google Classroom and listen to the story. Okay, so we're going to be writing about something that makes a loud noise. So I can draw a character, setting, and add labels. Ooh, that's really fun. Can everybody grab their pencil and circle that word labels? That's a really exciting part. Okay. So I'm going to think about something that is really, really noisy. I know that the TV is really loud in my house. My neighbor's stereo, when they play music, is really loud. When my mom vacuums, it's really loud. It makes like a sound like vroom, vroom, like that. Oh, that reminds me, when my dad mows the lawn, that makes a noise. Hey, I'm going to do that one. I'm going to draw my dad. This is my character, my dad. Oh, wait. His arms need to be pushing the lawnmower. Okay, I don't really know how to draw a lawnmower, but I'm going to try my best, okay? So don't laugh at Miss B. Okay, pushing the lawnmower. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, lawnmower. And what is this line? I don't know what this line is right here. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to draw a tree. because in my backyard I have this giant apple tree. And I'm going to draw some grass, but I'm going to draw that with my crayons. Okay, makes lots of noise. It goes. So let's get into my colors here. I want to be able to draw a character, a setting, and label. So I have my character, but he could use some clothes. Let's put some dad jeans on him. Like that. And my dad always wears this red t-shirt when he's doing his yard work. I don't know what it is about dads, but they've got their favorite things. And he usually wears his hat backwards when he's mowing the lawn. I don't know why, but that's what my dad likes to do. Okay, my dad has brown eyes and red lips, and his skin color is peach. So I'm adding all these details because I want my teacher to look at this and say, whoa, that's great. Just like that. Okay, oh, and I got to do my dad's work boots. My dad has big work boots, so can't forget the boots. Adding lots of details. So my character is done. Now I need to draw my setting. Remember, boys and girls, that a setting is where the story is taking place, where it's happening. So do we mow a lawn at school? Well, yeah, actually at the lawn at school, but do we mow the lawn in the living room? No. Do we mow the lawn at Vaughn's? No. We mow the lawn outside. So I want to make sure that I create a really good outside here. That's why I'm going to start with my big green apple tree. Big green apple tree here. I'm going to add some brown. To my tree. Okay. And then, oh, I said I was going to do some grass here because he's mowing the grass. I'm going to make this grass really super tall. And this grass under the mower really short because the mower is taking care of that grass. So this grass is all cuckoo crazy. And he's coming with a lawnmower and he's mowing it all down. Okay. There we go. Maybe I'll add some more grass over here. Okay, there we go. What else am I missing? Oh, I'm missing something up here. The nice hot sun. Here's the sun. And maybe I'll draw a cloud in the sky. Oh, that is looking good. And my favorite thing to draw in the sky is birds. And I make like a little V like this. Down and up. Down, up. Yeah, it looks like birds are flying in the sky. Tweet, tweet. I'm going to add just a little bit of blue. Not a lot, just a little bit of blue to make it look like a sky. All right. Oh, it looks so good. Wow. Oh, I almost forgot the red lawnmower. Red lawnmower has like a bag where all the green stuff goes into it. Or where all the lawn goes, I guess. Here's one. Here's two. Boom. Boom. Here's the handles. All right. Wow, that looks great. So I drew a character, my dad, and the setting is outside. Now I need to draw labels. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, this is so fun. You're going to need some magical bubbles to do labels. And you're in luck because you don't need to go grab bubbles. I have some for you. Ready? I'm going to blow some magical bubbles so that it will help you draw labels. Wow. One more time. Magical Bubbles. Okay, these magical bubbles are going to help you learn how to label your picture. Okay, you're going to need your pencil for this part, okay? So, good writers use labels to show their work. So, this is a tree, and I hear a t in there. So, I'm going to draw a T on my tree. This is a k cloud. So I'm going to draw a C on my cloud. This is g grass. So I'm going to draw a G for grass. This is a mower. Mower. This is my dad, and I actually know how to spell dad. So I'm going to spell it all the way out. D a d dad. This is the sun. And these are birds. Birds. So now I have a character, dad, a setting, and labels. Look at that, boys and girls. All right. If you would like to, you can now write about your picture on this line. So I'm going to say, my dad's mower, my dad's mower is loud. Ooh, ooh, d, loud. Put a period to show that I'm done. My dad's mower is loud. Ta-ding! Oh my goodness, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see your writing. Have fun drawing a character, a setting, and a label.